The false ceiling at Tilak Maidan complex is dilapidated condition and poses danger to the people who frequent the complex to attend various sporting activities and other functions. When Goa 365 visited the complex, it was a revealing moment. The ceiling is in bad shape with electrical fixtures hanging from a wire rope. The Sports Authority of Goa conducts regular coaching classes for students at this complex, and these students run the risk of falling victim if the false ceiling were to come down while they passed. Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza, who attended the Independence Day function at Tilak Maidan complex, informed that a file pertaining to the renovation of the sports complex was lying either with the Sports Minister or the Chief Minister.
Mazo colleague, sports minister, dynamic. या प्रश्नाच्या वगैरे काम घालतलो. But सांगपाक म्हणल्यार every time आमी या तिलक ग्राउंडाची मेंटेनन्स कमिटी आसा. ती कमिटीची फायल अजून पासून चीफ मिनिस्टराकडे व स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टराकडे आहा. ही जी कमिटी घाल्ल्या ती कमिटी एप्रूव करून मातशें ती म्हाका तिलक ग्राउंडाचे सगळे मातसो एक घेवपाक जाय.